We're on our way to Wrongs Covert with
We certainly are, yeah.
Sam the van in front, driving like a crazy person. And Mr. Craig in his cool shades, trying to catch up, or keep up rather.
Keep up. There we go.
And it's a beautiful day for tree planting.
There you go, you've got three. Well, I'm just putting the clear the space, put the mud there, and then put them in. Still 94 trees, put one in.
Hello there, it's Jo Metcalfe here, Greener Growth at Wrongs Covert, one of our woodland projects, and a really very important, beautiful wood, which we're very delighted to be working with Kathy on. So this project involves a wet woodland, which is a very unusual and rare habitat. This woodland itself accounts for 50% of the wet woodland that's actually left in the whole of Norfolk. So that gives you an idea of why we've got involved and why it's so special to us. So what we're doing is helping Kathy put a project together for a variety of different extremely deserving causes, so that a variety, huge number of different people of very specific needs and requirements can have access to this special place by prior arrangement only. And Kathy's very special particular focus is children with life-limiting conditions and their families. There's also many different things that go on in this woodland which we're going to share with you over the next few weeks and months. So today we're here planting another wonderful heritage orchard with Kathy's help, and you can see all the activity going on in the background, and we're going to show you a few different scenes from this woodland today. The light's really beautiful, very bizarre. Yesterday we were sorting out all the trees for 6 different heritage orchards, as you might have seen, in the snow, and today it's about 10 degrees warmer, and we were praying for a bit of variety for you. We don't want to bore you. So it's lovely and sunny, and literally 10-12 degrees warmer. So you can hear Craig in the background popping in, using our post dumper, popping in the support stakes for these beautiful rare trees, and hopefully with our help and all of our partner projects over Norfolk and Suffolk and beyond, these heritage Norfolk and Suffolk special trees are going to become less and less rare, which is sort of the whole point. So today we're here for the day, which is our absolute pleasure. We're going to be planting the orchard and helping do a little bit of clearing work, and then having a bit of a brainstorm with Kathy about some funding applications we're going to make this afternoon, where some of the other trustees are joining us, and we're going to see what we can work to pull together for this wonderful space and place over this course of the next year. And as you know, we form long-term partnerships anyway, so it'll be a minimum of 5 years. We'll be helping to deliver courses, classes and different projects on this site. So keep watching, this is a magical area, and we'll look forward to sharing it with you. Thank you.